Hey, gun people. Well, for the people that don't like cops, they're going to like this one because the cop tased another guy. So basically, mom called on daughter who was fighting, and the cops got several calls that they were arguing and fighting. So the reason why the cops have to ID everybody is to make sure that if she ends up later saying he hit me and the cops didn't do nothing, or to make sure that she's not under duress in here, and he said, look, when the cops come over, don't you tell them anything, and if they get me out of the car, I'm going to beat you later, so you better go along whatever I say. So a lot of times we like to separate them and get statements from both parties and ID them so we say who we talk to. This guy doesn't want to give his ID, so they pull him out, arrest him for obstruction, and they tase him, but one cop hits another cop with a taser.
I can arrest you for failure to disclose if you want to. It doesn't matter to me. I mean, I'm here all day.
We didn't call you.
Okay?
We didn't call you.
You didn't call me. Your mother called me.
For no reason.
And there's something going on with you because your eyes are all red. You look like you've been crying.
Smoke. I'm allergic to smoke.
Well, then tell him don't smoke around you.
This is my car.
But that is right.
I need your ID. I ain't telling you again. Let me see your ID.
Listen, dude, we got called, okay, on a disturbance. Several people called, okay? So we need your ID, or you can be arrested for failure to identify yourself to a police officer, okay? It's your last chance. Or we're going to take you out of the car, we're going to cuff you.
3 seconds. 1.
Chris.
Give us
2.
Or you're going to be charged.
3.
Wait.
ID or no?
Chris.
All you got to do is comply, dude.
Chris, come on, stop.
Let's go.
Chris.
Let's go.
Chris.
Okay, so here's where the taser comes.
Stop. He didn't do anything wrong, bro. Stop.
Get out of the car now. Get out of the car. You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
You got 2 cops. They could have just pulled him out and used hands-on, but you've always got somebody who wants to go to their freaking bat belt and pull out their little bat toy, taser or pepper spray or whatever, some trick or gimmick, instead of just grabbing a hand and taking a guy to ground and handcuffing him.
Get out of the car.
Come on, people, that's funny. Rick, you shouldn't be laughing. That poor cop with, oh, whatever, he got tased. I'm thinking he got hit in the arm, but if he only got hit with 1 dart, he shouldn't have felt the shock. So I'm not sure if this scream is because of the dart hitting him or because of the shock, because it almost seems like they both get shocked. But if he got 1 prong and he got 1 prong, I don't think they're getting shocked unless he's holding on to him. And now they're both getting a charge because he's completed the circuit. So I'm not sure whether it's just the dart that hit him that made him scream, or whether it's he completed the circuit and they both got 1 dart. And as soon as they broke contact, the shocking should have stopped.
Let go! Let go! Let go! You got me!
Stop! Sorry, Nick. Put your hand behind your back.
Sorry, Nick. Didn't mean it. Yo, you big taser happy fool. Quit pulling out your damn taser. We had him. Sorry, Nick. No problem. Just get this damn dart yanked out of me and got a jolt in a ride. Meanwhile, the guy, if he had a gun, he'd have pulled it out while you tasing me and would have shot your dumb ass. Rick, you can't. Well, be quiet, crybabies.
I got Nick with 1 probe.
Throw me another unit.
See your ID.
Listen, dude,
So here's a different view.
we got called, okay, or you can be arrested for failure to identify yourself to a police officer, okay? It's your last chance. Or we're going to take you out of the car, we're going to cuff you, and then we're going to identify you.
1.
Chris.
Give us your ID, or you're going to be charged.
Okay, this dude in the background running, he knows what's up. He's like, aw, shit. Flashing lights, cops, I'm out of here. Smart dude.
3.
Wait.
ID or no?
All you got to do is comply, dude.
Chris, come on, stop. Chris, stop. He didn't do anything wrong, bro. Stop.
Get out of the car now. Get out of the car.
Babe,
You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
Bro, get out of the car.
Okay, so here's where the cop tases him because he's fighting with one hand. If he'd have been using two hands and put his damn taser away, this wouldn't have happened. This is why it just pisses me off that they give him all these toys and they can't wait to use them every chance they get. So while this cop is out of the game, and it's just like with pepper spray, the guys that use the pepper spray and tasers always take out other cops. It never works this good on a criminal.
You got me! Stop! Sorry. Sorry, Nick.
Bad cop, no donut. All right, we'll end that there.